pick whites and neutrals. All right, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to create a hanger. And that's not hard. Staple gun, leather cord. There we go. It's so not hard that I screwed it up on the first time because I didn't center my staple gun well. So I'm going to pop that staple out. There we go. I do want to staple this up just a little more because I want a little extra security on there. There we go. Now I'm going to come back. Now you can choose how long you want to make this.